Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're taking a look at some more lightweight gear that you might want to use for your bug out bags. Today we're taking a look at the Firemaple Frost Ultralight Cookset. Let's open it up and check it out. Alright folks, welcome back. Now one of the reasons I like this particular set, these are brand new from Firemaple. They've been out for about a week or two. One of the reasons I like this set is because it's so darn lightweight and it does everything. It's got everything I need for cooking and eating in one little kit, aside from utensils. So it's got a fry pan, a plate, a pot, and it's made from lightweight durable aluminum. It's perfect for a lighter weight kit for your gear. It is a little bit on the rounder side, so it's bigger, but it's flat. The box doesn't do it justice. It's a lot flatter than the box shows. So let me open it up and give you a quick look at it here. And I've already unwrapped it because it comes very well wrapped. But I want to show you what it looks like. So you see, that's about your thickness there. The box was a little bit thicker than the kit itself. So let's get rid of the box. And let's put the kit out here to show you. There you go. And it does come with a nice little stuff sack. It's got a non-stick coating on it. The pot and the fry pan are covered with a non-stick durable coating. So cleanup on this is going to be pretty simple. We are going to quickly cook something in it. Just one of my quick little survival meals with some ramen and some chicken. There you go. That's the whole thing right there. So you got your plate here. Nice little dish. You got a pan. Now, I know you're probably thinking of something here, so hold on for a sec. That's what you're probably thinking about. And you got a pot. What this does is this is a gripper. This has one of the features that I love on grippers. It automatically reopens itself. I used to hate the ones that you had to open with your hand every time and grip and then open that. So we're going to be using both of these to try it out, both these pans. Coating on it looks very, very decent. Doesn't look like it's going to give you any issues. So there's your little holder. And this is what I mean. It pushes itself back open. It's spring-loaded. So I can grip this pan, move it over here, grip that, and I don't have to sit here and pry it open with my fingers. Much easier to use and much simpler. Let me give you a look at the cookware itself. That does look like it's going to be very simple to clean up. And the pan. Okay. And I'll give you dimensions on these in a second here. But it is compact and portable. I really like the fact that it's everything you need in one kit. One of the things we're trying to do, especially with our bug out bags or our go bags or get home bags, is to have stuff that's kind of multifunctional. A lot of people will say, well, multifunctional gear does a lot of things, but it doesn't do any one good thing well. Well, in a situation like this, all you're doing is cooking and eating. It's got to work. You know what I mean? So what we're going to do is I'm going to set it up, and we are going to try and make some food in it, and I'm going to show you whether it's easy or difficult to clean up with. I got a feeling it's going to be pretty easy, and we're going to use the plate, see how it works. So let me get all that set up, and let's see what we're going to end up eating here. All right, so we got the stove running. This is the kind of chicken I'm going to be using in it. I'm going to be using it in that pan. And this is my ramen. This is just a different type of Japanese ramen, a little bit higher quality than your regular ramen. We're just going to toss that in there. I'm going to turn that up. There we go. And our spice pack, which I may not use too much of because we're going to be using some soy sauce in this in a bit. Let's put the pan on here and get the chicken out. And again, this chicken's cooked, so we're just really warming it up. Almost looks like tuna, but it's chicken. There we go. By the way, if you're ever carrying like a really small everyday carry kit and you want to keep some food in it for a quick emergency meal, this stuff is awesome, and it lasts a good long time. I've had one of these in my emergency food kit, you know, in my carry bag when I used to work, too, when I used to work outside of the house, and it just lasted forever, did perfectly fine, never gave me any issues with my stomach or anything, and after about, I don't know, from 2012 to 2017, I had it in there. After all that, it still was good, and I ate it when they finally closed up the shop and I wasn't working outside of the home anymore. So I'm going to take a little bit of soy sauce. I like the spiciness with these, the premium fajita chicken. I'm just going to mix it in a little bit there. And I will get back to you. See, I'm doing something stupid. I'm using my fingers when I should be using this to hold it. I'll get back to you once everything's done. And really what we're doing here is not so much the food we're cooking, but we're going to test out and see how these pans clean up when they're done. So give me a few minutes to prepare this, and I'll bring you back when it's ready. All right, so everything's done. I drained the soup. I'm going to throw a little bit of the base in there. This stuff is a little bit, this ramen, Japanese ramen, a little bit tastier. The noodles are a little bit better. You do need to cook the noodles a little bit longer. That's all I found. And yes, I love my ramen. I miss the days when I lived across the street from Chinatown in New York, and I could just walk over there and pick any kind of ramen I wanted to buy in the stores and try it out. So, using our gripper, we're just going to take that, dump it in there. And I'll tell you something, this may look gross to some of you, but it is really good. I've made this before, and it's really good stuff. Just a mix of the soy sauce and a little bit of spiciness. So I'm going to mix this up a little bit. And as you can see, this pot gripper, nice sturdy handle on it. I'm not worried about losing it or anything. And there you go. So let's try it out. Take a little bit of this and try it out in our dish. And then what we're going to do is clean up the mess here and see how easily this whole system cleans up. So I'll bring you back in a few minutes when I'm all done. So you see they're clean. It wasn't exactly a meal where I burned everything to the bottom of a pan, but honestly, I could have cleaned these up with some paper towels. I just ran some water on them, and they cleaned right up, and then I wiped it out with a paper towel. Obviously, no worse for the wear, so gotta say it's a decent little kit. You know, Firemaple makes really good stuff, and I've had a lot of good luck with their gear so far. And I kind of discovered them by accident. They had mentioned to me one time that I like to try out one of their stoves. And I'd actually tried one of their stoves before, and they liked the review. So that's kind of how I got involved with them. And I got to say, you know, I've been using their stuff in the videos for so long now that it just comes second nature. The stuff I know is going to work. So definitely a neat little kit. You got everything to put away right here. If I want to put this stuff away, I just push it in here in the bag. And that's done. And, you know, this kit just folds up like this. And that's it. That's simple. Put it in the stuff sack, and I'm on my way. So, very lightweight, nice little kit. They run $36.95. I do have a coupon code down below. It's Iridium242. You can cut and paste it down below. And I will have a link directly to this on their website. So, definitely check it out. The weight on these is about 12.7 ounces, okay? The pot lifter is about 1.4 inches by 1.7 inches, this guy here. The plate itself, 6.9 by 6.9 by 0.9 inches. Fry pan, 6.8 by 1.4 inches. And the pot is 6.9 by 6.9 by 3.4 inches deep. So you do have a deep enough pot to actually do stuff. You see, I was able to boil that ramen without it blowing over or anything. It wasn't one of those really low pots that are kind of like more like pans. So I'm definitely pleased with it. You can check it out down below, see if you like it. They have a ton of other stuff, and I have more stuff coming up from them. I have a really neat stove coming up soon once they release it that I want to show you. And I think you'll appreciate their gear and their quality. I really haven't had any issues with them whatsoever. Anyway, folks, thanks for watching. Link will be down below with my discount code. Don't forget to check out all our other links. We have our freeze-dried wholesaler link. That link will save you 15% just by using it. Just click the link, shop as you normally would. You'll save 15% just for using the link. All right, well, below that is our Amazon affiliate store. That store is filled with stuff that I use in the channel, you know, little things like this, stuff that I buy on Amazon, things that I use regularly in the channel, but it also has some gear that I've reviewed. And if there's nothing on that thing you like, just click that link. You can even bookmark it when you shop on Amazon, save it and shop with it, and it helps out the channel without costing you anything. So if you appreciate the work we do here, by all means, bookmark that and shop with it. You can just go use the search bar up top. It'll land on my page every time. You just use the search bar to find whatever else you find. Below that, My Patriot Supply link. We got some great deals going on there on my affiliate portal. That's preparewithiridium.com, preparewithiridium.com. So definitely check that out. If what you see on the main page isn't what you like, click that little logo up top that says, My Patriot Supply. Click on that. You go into the website. There's a ton more preparedness gear. The stuff on my page is just specials for the month. Below that, of course, is our Thrive Life freeze-dried food store. Don't forget Thrive, folks. It's good stuff, clean, healthy food. I thank you guys for watching and hanging out with me today. Stay safe and stay prepared.